Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the update for our Galaxy Watch 6. This is the March 2024 and we're going to take a look to see what comes with the update. It does bring the security update for March 1st. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about what we get with this latest update for March 2024. First, it comes with the March 1st, 2024 security patch. It provides Health View support, which is a feature that allows you to broadcast your health information to a new Samsung Smart TV monitor projector. Next up, the update is about 283 megabytes for the download. It ends in version AXB7, and this is available for the Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Classic. This also brings an updated version of the touchscreen panel firmware, which should improve the touchscreen on your watch. It also has stabilization applications related to terminal operations per the notes here. A couple things we were hoping to see with this update was a fix for battery drain, as some users have reported continuous battery drain issues on their Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Classic, as well as improved sleep tracking. Okay, for those of you that are not used to updating your Galaxy Watch 6 from the phone, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. You're going to go ahead and go to your Galaxy Wearable app. So I'm just going to go ahead and search for that. We'll open that up and you'll be greeted by this screen here or something similar. You'll want to go ahead and select the watch settings, scroll down, select watch software update, and then we'll select download and install. So you can see that I've already installed it, but once you click on this, this will go out to the Samsung servers. Look for any new updates for your watch. If there is an update, it will show a screen similar to this. At the bottom, it will have a download button. I've already downloaded. So this is a look at what we're getting with the new update. So we've got the workout tracker support, which allows you to connect your Samsung TV from 2024, a projector or smart monitor to your watch so you can see different health related items. This also has a touchscreen panel firmware update, so this improves the touchscreen on the watch. I have noticed since I've done the update that the touchscreen is more responsive. There was a little bit of a lag prior, but everything seems to be working well. It has stability and reliability updates. These are pretty common. There's nothing listed what was improved, but overall the stability and reliability of the watch. Down here we have our update information. So we're on One UI 5.0 watch. The version on this is ending in AXB7. The size of the download is 283.84 megabytes, and it brings us the March 1st, 2024 security patch. Once you're done updating your watch, you always want to open up the Google Play Store and make sure that you update any of your apps that you have installed already. So what we can do is we'll go ahead and scroll down here until we get to Manage Apps. This will show you the apps that you have on your device. So we'll select Manage Apps, and then this will go and check and see if there's any updates. It looks like all of the current Google applications and other apps I have on the watch are up to date. But you always want to do that and make sure that you don't miss any updates. Anytime you update your phone or your watch, make sure to check your apps, make sure that they're up to date as well. For those of you that are not familiar with updating your watch, you'll simply swipe down from the top, select the gear icon, then scroll to the bottom where you see software update and select that. Next up, you'll go ahead and select download and install. This will cause the watch to go out to the server and grab the latest update. Next up, it will go ahead and copy over the software to your watch and complete the installation, which will take a bit of time. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give us a like. Consider subscribing to the channel and click the bell notification so you'll be updated when new videos are uploaded. Appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.